Yes, let's discuss EVs in general rather than simply Tesla. Is what's happening in Detroit right now good news for Tesla? Yes, since there will undoubtedly be greater production shortages in the event of a strike. I believe that the supply chain has now become more flexible, so regrettably, there will be a lot of unanswered issues around that. However, in my opinion, the strike has little to do with it at all. Rather, it is entirely related to the movement in consumer preferences toward better, more affordable electric vehicles. All it takes to drive down prices is for Tesla to transmit cost reductions onto its customers. That's why I believe it will benefit Tesla. People complaining that they can't afford these cars is what we hear. That is evolving. As you can see, Rishi Sunak is delaying the UK's 2030 deadline for eliminating internal combustion engines until 2035. Regarding this change, are we being overly optimistic? No, I don't believe that. Indeed, 2 or 3 years ago, the total cost of ownership of an electric vehicle surpassed that of a gas-powered vehicle. However, this is the United States, so the situation may differ slightly. Sticker rates soon, which include insurance. It does come with insurance, yes. Indeed, as I mentioned before, there are regional variations, but in the US, insurance is one of them. In reality, Tesla is willing to offer insurance because it is so confident that there would be fewer collisions and fatalities involving its vehicles. So yes, that does cover everything. Cathie Wood, a bullish Tesla investor, has revealed some intriguing information on the company's and its stock's future. We dig further into the remarks made by this ardent Tesla supporter today, as well as her predictions for the company's future in the coming months. For an extended period, Cathie Wood has defended Tesla as a shining example of disruptive innovation. In her view, the corporation is more than just an automotive. It is a technology leader leading the charge to transform energy and transportation. Wood's most recent remarks about Tesla highlight the company's influence and how it goes beyond the auto sector, with its solar and energy storage technologies being essential to the shift to a sustainable future. Because the long-term Tesla bull believes that the company will be successful in the future, she has revealed yet another intriguing target price for Tesla shares and has once again solidified her position as the dwindling hope that investors have in Tesla. Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, please. Our top holding in the ARK Innovation ETF is Tesla. It's nice to have you here on Fast, Cathie. Well, Melissa, it's good to be here. I appreciate you inviting me. As you may recall, the traders and I were discussing Tesla over here at the desk, namely how your negative case for the company is $1,400 per share. Here, a guy offered $1,400 as that amount is still quite bullish. What assumptions are made about its business to arrive at the $1,400 by 2027 figure, to use the bear case as an example? Essentially, a third of our assessment is focused on the topic of electric cars, EVs, and their implementation. As you pointed out, Turkey has a Tesla plant, and since this is the new world, I assume many other countries also desire one. That's good then. Everything is coming together. Then, autonomous taxi platforms account for 2/3 of our valuation. Here in the United States, we believe Tesla to be at the top. It will most likely be the firm that gets people from point A to point B as swiftly and safely as possible because it has gathered more data on our roads and, in fact, other highways throughout the world than all the other companies put together. As a result, it has more corner cases. Thus, the market is winner take most. Therefore, whether it's the bull scenario, which occurs considerably faster, or our base case, which simply indicates that, well, autonomy may take a bit longer to play out. Given that Wood's company, ARK Invest, holds a substantial stake in Tesla, her remarks on the company have frequently had a significant influence on investment plans. Her steadfast backing of the automaker has the potential to affect not just her personal finances, but also the overall sentiment of the market regarding the stock. As you can see, Cathie Wood's most recent remarks regarding Tesla demonstrate a fresh level of enthusiasm for the business, particularly given the recent spike in the stock price. Investor mistrust of Tesla has been heightened by the company's recent upward and downward movements in its stock price. However, it's possible that Cathie Wood's most recent price forecast is what gives investors new hope for Tesla. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, people. Cathie Wood has always been. What recent developments back up Cathie Wood's most recent optimistic price projection for Tesla shares, and why did she say this? Let's investigate. But before we do, please make sure you subscribe, press the like button, and enable post alerts if you enjoy this kind of content so you can stay updated on all things Tesla. Cathie Wood is well known in the investment world, especially in relation to disruptive technologies and creative businesses, as demonstrated by her most recent remarks regarding Tesla. Her main areas of interest are Tesla's growth trajectory. The seasoned investor is still very bullish about Tesla's ability to grow in terms of producing more cars and energy solutions. Wood thinks Tesla will likely surpass its ambitious targets in these areas in addition to being able to meet them. Several incidents lend credence to this assertion. First, it is believed that Tesla has ambitions to manufacture and market battery storage systems in India. It has even sent a proposal to authorities asking for financial aid to establish a factory. According to sources, the manufacturer has been in discussions to establish a new electric vehicle factory in India, with the goal of producing a car that would cost roughly $24,000. Additionally, Tesla has suggested bolstering the nation's battery storage capacities with its Powerwall system, which has the capacity to store electricity from the grid or solar panels for usage at night or during blackouts. The potential this holds for Tesla's Powerwall, its energy company, and all of that is not widely recognized. When you consider it, Tesla has the ability to profitably produce the Powerwall by utilizing its innovative technology, devoted customer base, and well-known brand. The carmaker enjoys a solid reputation for being a pioneer in both electric vehicles and renewable energy and power. Its items are of excellent quality, with excellent performance and design. Therefore, growing this firm shouldn't be too difficult. The growing trend of energy storage at home can also be advantageous for Tesla, particularly in areas with inadequate grid stability, high electricity costs, or favorable subsidies. With reasonable pricing, simple installation, clever features, and smooth interaction with its other products and services, it may take a sizable chunk of this market. This only pertains to Powerwalls. Consider the Cybertruck, Dojo, Semis, and even Robotaxis. Tesla is about to release a very significant product, its first Cybertruck. The carmaker has a performance Cybertruck, as the CEO recently said, suggesting that it would be among the initial iterations of electric pickup trucks. Every aspect of the Cybertruck, from its exoskeleton-like form to its unbreakable windows, demonstrates Tesla's dedication to innovation. This electric behemoth exemplifies Tesla's relentless quest to push limits. The vehicle is a technological marvel in addition to being strong. Furthermore, the Cybertruck, which is based on Tesla's FSD technology, promises a level of autonomy that has the potential to completely change the way we think about transportation. How about robot taxis, though? With the help of its robo-taxi platform, Tesla hopes to generate additional income by enabling its FSD-equipped vehicles to function as self-driving taxis that can pick up and drop off customers whenever needed. Tesla's robo-taxi platform has the potential to drastically lower the cost of car ownership for Tesla owners by leveraging the sharing economy. For Tesla, this platform holds enormous promise. The robo-taxi platform's earnings have the potential to balance the vehicle's purchase price, so increasing the accessibility of Tesla automobiles to a wider segment of the market. Consider the millions of Tesla cars that are currently in use. They may be bringing in money for both their owners and Tesla. It is anticipated that the robo-taxi platform might be a significant step toward a time when autonomous transportation is not just a theory, but a reality as Tesla continues to push the envelope of what is possible. This platform has the potential to transform transportation, generate a new source of income, and eventually affect Tesla's stock price. Keep in mind that all of this gives us an opportunity to examine Tesla's ad division, which is a major source of revenue for the company. Consider Dojo as an example. The Dojo supercomputer is a technological first as well as a calculated effort to seize new revenue opportunities in the rapidly changing autonomous transportation and artificial intelligence space, as Tesla continues to hone its self-driving technology and extend its AI capabilities. Beyond simply improving its cars, Tesla wants to use the supercomputer to transform other industries, build a sustainable future, and increase its bottom line. You know, Cathie Wood's observations regarding Tesla serve as a reminder that the per